Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my lips look more fuller and more bigger using only 3 steps, and these 3 steps are really simple, really easy to do, and they will definitely make your lips look more fuller and plumpier. These 3 steps are a part of my daily routine. I almost do this every day because they are really simple first of all, and it hardly takes me 3 to 4 minutes to do it, and the result is obviously amazing. And you know, I can't go out without lipstick, so I almost do it every day. So before we get started, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. So if you want to know how I make my lips look more plumpier and bigger, then please keep watching. So the first step is to exfoliate your lips, and this is one of the most important steps that I use. Exfoliating your lips really makes them look a lot bigger right away, and it also takes care of any dry or dead skin on the lips. So after exfoliating, your lips feel a lot smoother and soft and a lot plumpier. But with exfoliation you have to be a little careful, because if you rub them very hard, then they can actually get a lot dry, so you have to take care of it. Just don't scrub too hard. There are many ways to exfoliate your lips, but I usually use a lip scrub that I bought online. And if you don't have a lip scrub, then you can always make it at home. Just mix a little sugar and honey together, and that will work as a lip exfoliator. And the lip scrub that I use is bubblegum lip fruit scrub. I bought it from Amazon, so you can get it from there. All you have to do is take a little bit of product on your finger and apply it on your lips and massage it for about 1 to 3 minutes. Okay, so you can see my lips have become comparatively a little bigger and a little plumpier than before, and all I did till now was just use the scrub. So with that, we move to our second step, that is applying a lip liner. The main part of making your lips look more bigger is applying the lip liner. It is with the lip liner that we can overline our lips and make them look little bigger than they naturally are. You can use any lip liner you want of any color, pink, red, nude, whatever. I'll be using a lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics in the color Candy K. While applying the lip liner, you have to be really careful. We do not overline all of our lips. I usually just overline in the center of the lips, that is the cupid's bow and this center portion. I never overline the sides of my lips, because that gives a very pouty duck face kind of a look, and we do not want that because that really looks very fake. First I will just line the corners of my lips, and we are not overlining, we are staying true to our natural lip line. So having done the sides, now I will do the center area, that is the cupid's bow and this lower area, and this is the area that we want to overline. But we have to take care that we do not want to go overboard. We still want it to look natural, and it shouldn't look like we have overlined. So I stay very close to my natural lip line. I do not do too much of overlining, and while doing this I usually bend my lips a little inwards like this, so I can see my natural lip line and the overlining that I'm doing. And after outlining, I use the same lip liner to fill in the lips, not completely but just till the center, so that there is no harsh line of the outline that we have created. And now we come to our third and final step, that is applying the lipstick. Whenever I overline my lips, I make sure that I use a matte lipstick to fill in my lips and not a glossy or a cream one. The reason is that matte lipsticks tend to blend very nicely with the lip liner that we have used, so it doesn't look like we have outlined our lips. But if we use a glossy or a sheer lipstick, then they do not blend with the lip liner, and you can actually see, you know, the gloss appears to be different and the lip liner appears to be different, so you can actually make out that you have outlined your lips, and we do not want that. So I always use a matte lipstick, and the lipstick I'm using is Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipstick in the color Icon. And that is it. That is my three-way procedure of making my lips look a little bigger. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope that this video helped you. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and most importantly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.